Indian currency is now going to get a major makeover. For years, when it has been the banking note paper that we have been, it is now time that we might be getting into plastic. Well, RBI is looking into the option and is going to have a trial for the 10 and the 20 rupee note. Well, how is that going to be? What all are going to be the changes? We tell you all. India is moving a step closer towards introducing polymer banknotes. A finance ministry has approved the Reserve Bank of India's proposal to conduct a field trial on 1 billion 10 notes and 1 billion notes made from polymer. The proposal recommended by the RBI Central Board also states that if the trials are successful, these polymer notes could eventually be issued regularly in these denominations. The idea is not entirely new. A similar pilot project was proposed years ago across cities like Kochi, Jaipur, Shimla, Bhubaneswar, but it was later shelved before implementation. The discussion gained momentum after RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra recently indicated that the central bank was actively considering polymer currency. Polymer notes are known to last much longer than paper notes, are more resistant to water, dirt, and tearing, and are significantly harder to counterfeit. Many countries, including Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Singapore, are already using polymer currency because of its durability and enhanced security features. For now, the proposal remains in the trial phase and no timeline has been announced for nationwide circulation. Existing paper notes will continue to remain legal tender. If the trials become successful, India could be joining the rest of the world in getting a newer currency note. Well, it'll be interesting to see if that can actually happen with the lower denomination to begin with. Let's see if the trials become successful and we can have our hands onto a newer currency for ourselves.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.